Today we're going to turn this broken ass piece of shit into a sturdy, functional, and practical rake for men. I was looking for the rake, finally found it in two pieces, the handle and the head. It looks like the handle has rotted quite a bit over time, and there's a big hole missing here, big old chunk, but I know just what I'm gonna do about it, so let's get right on into it. First, we need to clean off the old rake head so that we're welding on clean material. Then I could just put the round tube on here, but I feel like it's better if I flatten it out a bit so it's closer to fitting. Don't forget we have to cut it to size. I went with 58 inches for this one. Next, I cut a slit on top. We're going to weld inside there so that the rake head stays in place and isn't tempted to move around. And as added stability, I added two studs that were just laying around in my garage, and then I was able to fully weld the head onto the handle. Then we grind it down to look a little prettier. And let's not forget to clean all the mill scale off the handle so we can paint it later. Then we need to seal off the end, and I just happened across a railroad spike in my scrap pile and figured, hey, why not? So I hammered that in as far as I could. Then I welded it in and kind of filled in the extra space so we could contour that handle a little bit better. With everything contoured and kind of cleaned up, at least good enough for me, it was time for a paint job. I have red paint, but that's for something else, so black it is. So yeah, we are done with it, and now it's time to take it for a little test spin, make sure that my welds are holding up and all that. So I have some tires out in the yard. We're gonna see if I can bring them to me. So that's all fine and good. But what about raking like a normal human being? The railroad spike on the end really feels nice in the hand, and it makes raking more comfortable in general. The rake is marginally heavier than the wooden handle, but not by much because we used some thin gauge tubing. So that's all there is to it. Now I have a rake that is going to last several generations instead of several weeks. And having this little nub on the end is going to be so useful for when I need to like throw the rake out and rake something back. So that's all I got for you. I really hope you enjoyed the video. As usual, you be good while I'm gone, and I will see you next time. Have a good week.